Hello, this is Opinion Radar, and if you're a parent looking for screen-free ways to spark your child's creativity, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing a sweet little find that's been a joyful hit in our home, the Pretty Me Flower Crown and Bracelet Making Kit. Priced at just $9, it's the kind of affordable, imaginative activity that's perfect for a quiet afternoon, a birthday party, or even as a grab-and-go gift. As a mom, I'm always on the lookout for toys that encourage independence while still allowing for connection, something that lets my daughter feel proud of what she's made, all on her own. This kit promised just that, a chance to design, create, and wear her own floral accessories. So, we gave it a try, not knowing just how much it would capture her attention and my heart. Let me tell you how it really went. When I first saw the Pretty Me Flower Crown and Bracelet Making Kit, I'll admit, I was a little skeptical. I bought craft kits before that promised hours of creativity, but ended up being more frustrating than fun. Either the pieces were too flimsy, the instructions unclear, or it just didn't hold my daughter's attention for long. But this one, it surprised me. From the moment we opened the box, everything felt thoughtfully put together. The beads are bright and colorful. The floral accents are delightfully charming, and the elastic strands are just the right length for little hands to manage. It's clear this was made with kids in mind, no tiny, choking hazard parts, nothing too complicated. It struck that perfect balance between engaging and easy enough that even a 6-year-old can work independently, which, as a busy mom, is a huge win for me. We spent a Saturday afternoon crafting together, and honestly, it was one of those quiet, joyful moments I'll remember. My daughter settled at the kitchen table with a glass of juice and just dove right in. She started following the simple guide to make her first flower crown, and within minutes, she had a gorgeous little headpiece that she immediately modeled for the whole family. But here's where it got even better. After she finished the official design, she started experimenting. She mixed and matched beads, layered different flowers, and even made a tiny bracelet for our dog. It was so sweet to watch her imagination take over. That's what I really love about this kit. It doesn't just offer a one-and-done activity. The pieces are reusable, so she's been reinventing new designs every few days. That kind of lasting play value is rare in a $9 craft set. I also appreciate how this isn't just a distraction. It's actually building her confidence and fine motor skills. Threading those little beads, arranging the flowers in a pattern, tying the ends, these are tiny victories that make her beam with pride. I watched her problem solve when an elastic broke, and yes, that did happen. More on that in a sec. But instead of giving up, she asked for a new piece of string and tried again. As a mom, moments like that warm my heart. It's more than just making a cute accessory. It's about patience, creativity, and learning that it's okay to try again. I've already started thinking about how this could be a great activity for her birthday party. Simple enough for a group, but special enough that every child walks away with something handmade and personal. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, durability. While the kit is overall really well designed, it's not built to last forever. The elastics aren't the sturdiest, and one did snap when my daughter pulled it a little too hard. The plastic flowers are cute but feel a bit thin. Definitely not something she can wear every day. That being said, I don't think it's meant to be a permanent accessory. It's a crafting experience, and in that role, it shines. I'd rather have a joyful afternoon of creativity than a crown that lasts a year but collects dust on a shelf. That said, if you're looking for something super durable or high-end, this might not be it. But for $9, it's a steal. You're not paying for museum-quality materials. You're paying for imagination, hands-on play, and moments of connection. I've gifted this to 2 other families since we got ours. One for a birthday and another as a just because treat for my neighbor's daughter. Both moms texted me later saying how much their girls loved it. One told me it kept her niece busy for nearly 2 hours straight during a long car ride. That, to me, is the ultimate compliment. We all know how tough it is to find activities that actually hold a child's attention in this age of instant screens and constant stimulation. This kit manages to do that without any tech involved. It's screen free, creative fun, and perfect for travel, rainy days, or as a quiet time project. I can already imagine stuffing a few into holiday gift bags or using them as party favors, affordable, adorable, and meaningful. One thing I didn't expect was how much my daughter wanted to share what she made. After finishing her crowns and bracelets, she insisted on giving one to her little sister and another to her best friend. There's something so heartwarming about seeing kids create not just for themselves, but to bring joy to others. It sparked a sweet conversation about gift giving and thoughtfulness. Now she even talks about selling them at a lemonade stand style craft booth in our driveway this summer. Who knows? Maybe she's on her way to becoming a little entrepreneur. Either way, this kit did more than keep her busy. It sparked ideas, conversations, and a sense of pride in her work. All in all, the Pretty Me flower crown and bracelet making kit has earned a permanent spot in our craft corner. It's not fancy, it won't win design awards, but it delivers what matters most: fun, creativity, and quality time. For under $10, it's a steal, especially when you consider the replay value and the joy it brings. Yes, it has minor flaws, but nothing that outweighs the positives. If you're looking for a gift for a girl between 6 and 10, or just want a sweet, no fuss activity for a weekend afternoon, I can't recommend this enough. It's the kind of simple, hands on play that feels a little old school in the best way. And as a mom who's endlessly searching for things that keep my kids engaged, happy, and screen free, that's worth its weight in gold. If you're ready to spark joy, creativity, and maybe even a future fashion designer, grab the Pretty Me kit and let the magic begin. Don't forget to thread your way into our community. Hit like and subscribe for more heartfelt, mom tested finds that make childhood even more beautiful.